Hi, I'm Dr. Miner. Today I'm here with a client that we've done Botox on before, and we've done the eyebrow shaping and lifting, which she really likes. And today we are going to, she's interested in addressing what's called the bunny lines, which are the lines that form right there on the sides of the nose. And one of the things that I've heard over time is a lot of people tell me, I heard you can't do Botox below the eyes. Well, that's not true. There's a lot of places where we can do Botox. And so the bunny lines right in this area are one of them. And tell us why you like that area treated.
I like that area treated because I've noticed that it decreases the lines underneath my eyes. Because I can't make this movement, so therefore my under eyes seem like they're smoother and less wrinkly.
Yep, and so also we can put Botox under the eyes to help even smooth those lines out. We also use Botox down in this area because some people will have a frowny face, and we can do Botox down there to lift the corners of their mouth so they don't have that frowny look. And also in the chin we use Botox to smooth that because that will get a kind of an orange peel texture to it. And also we'll use Botox in the neck to smooth the neck, soften the lines. They call them necklace bands or necklace lines that happen down there, and smooth that. So there's a lot of places where Botox can be used below the eyes. Alright, so we have kind of some marks here where we're going to do some Botox, but I'm just going to show right here on the nose where we're going to do that. And along the nose it's a little pinchy but not too bad. Ready? Yeah, just relax for me. Turn towards me just a little bit. Alrighty, there we go.